Yesu yatuwa olugero lw'abawala 10.
Jesus gave us a parable of the 10 virgins.
Abeteekateeka okulinda omugole.
Who prepared to wait for the groom.
Ne bagenda n'amafuta, bonna batandika balina amafuta.
They went with oil.
Bagenda nti abawala 5 baali bagezi, abawala 5 baali basiru.
5 of them were wise and the other were foolish.
Bonna batandikira kumu.
They started together.
Bonna balina okwesunga kwe kumu.
They were all happy.
Ekyabali takyali kifaanagana.
They came for the same purpose.
Newulira ekyaliwo.
But listen,
obuzibu obwajja,
the challenge,
omugole n'alwali okusukkira ku kye baali balowooza.
the groom took more time than what was expected. Can I repeat it?
Omugole yayisa mu ssaawa ze yali abagamba.
The devil did not come on time.
Weegendereze.
Be careful.
Omugole asobola okulwala.
The groom might take long.
Naye tekikuleetera okugyamu engoye.
But don't say that you don't think that you can put up the clothes.
Gamba ne bagule nti oggyamu engoye.
Tell your neighbor not to put up the clothes because the groom has delayed.
Toggyamu engoye.
Don't put up the clothes.
Nga weekwasa nti ate nze ndaba omugole aluddeyo.
Give the excuse that the groom has taken long.
Nze mumpe enkumbi male okulima.
Give my whole lady first go to bed.
Ate ate oba tatuuka.
Because it's not coming.
Amaludde okulaba ku jjajja.
And then first one sister
Ate
brother.
oba tatuuka.
It's not coming.
Tweyambulamu engoye.
Don't put up the clothes.
Gamba ne bagule nti oyambulamu engoye omugole anaatera okutuuka.
Tell your neighbor not to put up the clothes because the groom is about